John Thornton, the incoming chairman, calm, calculated, tasked with saving the company from collapse. Peter Munk, the visionary founder, a bold risk-taker whose legacy now hangs in the balance. The finance director, numbers-driven and unyielding, focused on cutting costs and restoring investor confidence. The operations and ESG head, grounded in reality, committed to rebuilding trust.
Gentlemen, we don't need slides to see the truth. $11.5 billion in impairments, opposition with economics. Vasco Lama frozen, a $3.8 billion written down. We are here not to fight. We are here to decide what to do next.
To decide, when I started Barrick, we had one mine in Ontario, and we became the largest producer of gold. And I was the one who built this company brick by brick. And of course, no doubt, like we have made a lot of gold bets with the company like Equinox and Pascua. But I think what we've done is like it's not the mistake.
Peter, those bets nearly cost us everything. So gold price are down by 30% and our margin are 8%. You can call it vision and market call it poor judgment.
Markets, they never believe in us anymore.
Peter, you taught the company how to lead. Now let me teach how to survive. We need to pivot, divert our weak assets. And Lama Pasca, definitely we have to freeze it.
I agree. Pasco Lama isn't just over budget, it's a reputational bomb. Community resistance, environmental loss, we are hammering trust.
So we walk away. Leave $8 billion buried in a mountain. You are not building a legacy.
No, but you don't save a company by digging deeper in the grave. We have to build community, build collaboration. They manage our community. Then we have to save the company.
Here's the math. If we divest in underperforming companies, we can reduce the net debt by at least $2 billion. Some Chinese strategic investors are interested, but they want assurance and government's real ESG policy and to one-man rule.
One-man rule, I was the one who held the boat together when the price of gold was below 300. And you want to give the hand to the China.
Not handovering to China, just a seat at the table. They bring investment, we keep control.
And we finally show communities we have changed. New leadership, new vision.
You know what? I've always thought like I'd leave the company when they'll kick me out. And I think this is the time that they are kicking me out. You better know where you are driving.
Then let me clear it down clearly. Freeze Pasco Lama, sell non-core mines to China, then build a community. We just don't have to rebuild the company, we have to rebuild the trust.
If we vote yes, John, you take full accountability. There is no bending the Peter shadow.
I never came here to be a shadow.
When I left Hungary, I had nothing. I built this company with grit, not with the algorithm. And I also know when the tide changes, and I think it's the time wind is taking over. You've got your vote, John. Start counting. And if you fail, don't expect the market to be kind.
I don't expect kindness, just opportunity.
Then it's settled. Tomorrow we begin the hard part, that is restoring beliefs.
And this time, we not just build the biggest company, but smartest company in the world.
In 2014, John Thornton became the chairman of Barrick Gold. His reforms were bold, his alliances were unconventional. Peter Monk's legacy was not erased, but evolved. And Barrick Gold learned, at last, that greatness comes not just from gold, but from resilience.